Hey guys, so I'm glad you found this YouTube video. This is my channel. I'm Rachel Jane. I'm going to be covering a bunch of different things on essential oils today. FDA regulations, safety, how to use them, what are essential oils, all of those good things. So definitely hit subscribe or hit the thumbs up if you're in the right place. So let's start with what are essential oils. Basically, every plant has essential oils, and to get them extracted from the plant, whether it's from the roots, the blooms, the leaves, the bark, I don't know, any part of the plant can be used to become essential oils. They are steam distilled, and that essential oil is extracted from the plant and then gets bottled. It's a huge process, but that's the basics of how we get essential oils. So you've been using essential oils all your life, whether it was using seasonings, dried herbs have essential oils in them, but the difference between the dried herbs versus a bottle of essential oils is that the bottle is extremely potent. So for instance, in rose, the essential oil of rose, 5,000 pounds of rose petals went in to create 1 kilo of rose essential oil. So it's ridiculous how potent these essential oils are, and that's why they are different than just using the herbs or just using the leaves. And obviously, we can't utilize bark or roots as well as we could the essential oils from them. So let's talk about the FDA regulations. I've read the FDA.gov website. I encourage you to do the same. So this is my understanding and interpretation of it. Definitely, as you're doing your research, go check out FDA.gov and search in there essential oils, and you can read about it for yourself. But my interpretation is that the FDA does not regulate the bottling of essential oils. So basically what that means is a company can put anything they want in the bottle and then label it therapeutic grade 100% essential oils. Now, they only actually need to have a very small percentage in that bottle for the bottle to say 100% therapeutic grade. Now, that means that they can put fillers in there, they can put synthetics, they can not have that much essential oils in them. It's kind of just up to the company, and the FDA is not going to pull that product unless there is a problem after the fact. Some of the ones that you will see out on the market, on the grocery store shelves, are going to say do not ingest. That is a great indicator that there are synthetics in that bottle and that it is not 100% actual essential oil from that plant. So that's my understanding of the FDA regulations. I hope that kind of helps clear that up. As far as sourcing goes, you need to know your source. So like I said, some companies are perfectly fine with putting very minimal amount of oil in the bottle. The company that I work for, Young Living, has an extremely high process, a highly regulated process within themselves. So what that means is that our bottles contain actually 100% of the oil. There are no synthetics or fillers. You can watch my Seed to Seal video. I'll put the link in the description. That'll give you a thorough idea of what Young Living does to ensure the quality of our essential oil bottles. So there's multiple ways that you can use essential oils. They can be ingested, they can be used aromatically, and they can be used topically. And you've been using them, like I said, your entire life, just like that, whether you used herbs or that you squeezed a lemon into your drink. It's just that these are bottled instead of using the actual product. But like I said, the bottle is much more potent because it's been extracted chemically extracted and distilled. So what you need to watch for is like I said, the warning labels on the bottles. Make sure that you're practicing safety and dilution. I will cover that more in another video. And make sure that you know the source and that the company that you're buying your oils from is a company that you trust. So definitely watch that Seed to Seal video that I referenced a minute ago. And I think that's about it. Definitely like this video or comment below with a question that you had as you were watching it, and hit subscribe because I am going to be adding more content into this channel on a regular basis, and I hope that I can help you along the way as you learn about essential oils. I'm Rachel Jane, and I will see you next time.